Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm so excited to make this video today. I can't believe it's finally here. But first, please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. Why am I so excited? I got my FabFitFun box. Woo! FabFitFun! And I did get an add-on or two, and it should be in the box. I'm so excited. So, I just got it dropped off by a limping man. This man was limping, but he was working hard and brought my box to my front door. And I said, "Thank you, kind sir. Thank you for bringing me my FabFitFun." And it looks like this inside. Woo-hoo-hoo, a flabby arm. What is it? I thought my FabFitFun was in here. There's just like endless amounts of paper. I'm serious. I don't. Oh, it's just my mystery box. It's not my regular FabFitFun at all. It's just a mystery bag. Man, look at this. A big giant box for a little thing. But it's heavy. I don't even know what it is yet. Man, I was really hoping that was like my whole FabFitFun box. It took me 2 minutes to get to this part. And this is my mystery bag. $29.99. That is how much they cost. Sometimes you get a lot of value. Sometimes you get nothing but crap. But I'm excited to find out what I do have here. There's a hat. I don't wear hats. My head sweats a lot. But it's a very cool mustard color hat. And it's caught by Gigi Pip. I'll leave it in there. That might be going in a giveaway. Oh, and it's like distressed. I'll go on and open it up. I'm sure this is like, you know, expensive. Because hats are expensive. Oh, it's all distressed. Will it fit my big head? See, it won't even fit my big head. I know it's adjustable, but not much. Like really, it's, even if I adjust it, there's like hardly any room left. And so my head's too big for this, even if I did want it. All right, so I got a hat that's probably at least 25 bucks. This big boy is Danielle Stone Oud Wood Hand Soap. Ooh, it's very big. I'm sure this is very fancy and expensive. Because even the stuff that's like not crazy expensive on the site still has high dollar value. Oh, it smells so wonderful. It's like sandalwood and cedar. I just spilled a little. And it just smells amazing. I didn't even put that on right. There we go. But it smells fantastic, and we will use that for sure. Everyone needs a hand soap. Oh, this is the really heavy thing. It's a candle. These candles on FabFitFun are always fancy and expensive. This is a Tuberose candle, and I collect candles. So I have so many candles right now that need to be used. It's crazy, but that's what makes me a collector. This is very heavy and I'm very excited about it. It's super, feels very expensive and heavy. And this is by Stockholm, Tuberose Scented Candle, Bougie Parfum. See, it says Bougie Parfum. It's bougie, bitch. It's a bougie candle. Oh, look how cool that is. Oh, it smells delightful. It smells very good. So I feel like I'm doing great because this is probably a $40 candle. And it says a captivating floral fragrance where aromatic ginger is blended with sweet tuberose and underlying mix of jasmine and orange blossom. It smells fantastic. And then, last but not least, I got a face mask refreshing spray. I have so many face sprays. Like, it's ridiculous how many face sprays I have. How old am I to say redonkulous? Tea tree and lavender. Let me put my spectacles on. Oh, it's got a lot of stuff in French. It says, refresh your senses with our calming and purifying face mask refreshing spray enriched with soothing lavender essential oil and clarifying tea tree essential oil. This revitalizing spray naturally combats odors and impurities while keeping your mask smelling fresh. Oh, face mask. I didn't understand what it was for. Anyway, whether you're donning on reusable mask, just a spritz of this purifying spray will soothe the mind and deliver irresistible, long-lasting freshness to your senses. Mist Way of Will face mask refreshing spray directly onto the inside or outside of your reusable mask. Very cool, because masks are essential in my current job. You have to wear one every day. Oh, that smells delightful. That is wonderful. That smells fantastic. So that's cool, you know, because face masks, I think, are going to be making a comeback. Don't call it a comeback. We've been here for years. Anyway, so I definitely got my $30 worth. I got this great face mask spray. I got this bougie candle. It said so on the box. I got a nice bougie liquid hand soap that smells amazing. And I got this jaunty distressed baseball cap. So this is probably, I'll call this 15, call this $40 value. That's 55. This is probably $15. So that's 70, and then this is probably 25. So I'll call that $95 value. Very good. I'm very excited. I'm really excited about this. This is some nice stuff that I'll actually use, except for the hat. Somebody will get the hat. I love my friends. They get all the hats. But have a great day or a day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. The mystery bag, totally worth it. Bye.